Futureview podcast. My name is Obi, and welcome to our 9th episode of our series, AI PM Product Manager series. It's a hot topic, a series that will get you ready for the future of work, place requirements, more so that will make you go global than having to travel. It's a topic very hot. I usually start by saying that AI is not taking anybody's job, but people that knows how to use AI to do their job will take your job. If you've not had time to watch other series of other episodes of this series, I would say go back now, watch 1 to 8 before you come to this, because it's in series and it's just short, less than 10 minutes each of them. So go and watch all of them, then come back. And by any chance you've not subscribed, please subscribe and put on your notification button so you know when a new video is dropped. Like, subscribe, and comment. Your comments will direct us, help us to know the impact this is having, or if there's any direction you want us to follow to answer any questions you might have, and then give you the value you so desire. It's a hot topic, like I said, and more series are going to be coming through as we progress. This is the 9th episode. We're stopping at the 10th. So after this, we have the final episode. But today we are looking at continuous learning. How do you stay ahead in this AI game? How to stay ahead in this AI game. We'll be looking at how the dynamic nature of AI and the need for continuous learning, providing strategies for staying updated. So, like I said, subscribe, like, comment, and let's jump in. What are the key points we're looking at today? Like you know, AI never stop evolving. So AI landscape changes rapidly. So learning is a continuous journey, not a destination. You must have that at the back of your mind in this world we're in now. Learning must be a continuous journey for you and not a destination. So that's why you must subscribe. You must, put your notification button to learn more as they come. It's not something I've learned this topic, I'm going away. And remember, this is just a bite-sized training program series. The detailed training is different. Now that will take longer period and in a different platform. Let us know what you think if you want to jump on that, and we'll have you enrolled. So it's like being a lifelong student of innovation in this learning, continuous learning. So always be on the lookout for the improvement, for what's happening, what's the trend. Okay? And then another tip is to follow the experts. Identify key AI thought leaders, or researchers or companies to follow on social media, blogs, read their blog, read articles or newsletters. LinkedIn is a good place to be. They help a lot to get you informed, introduce you to professional thought leaders, researchers that you want to follow. And whenever they drop, most of them have newsletters every other week or every other month, whatever. But it's a place to be. Yeah? Then online courses and certification. This is an online course, but it's not as detailed as you want to be, because we want to keep it simple, give people the main highlights for them to go and expand. But we have a few courses that is on demand or in person in this topic and other topics. So explore advanced courses or specialized certification as you progress in your career. So you start somewhere, and as you progress, it's expected that you start looking out for more in-depth courses to specialize in product management or other area of AI you might find interesting to you. Another tip is to experiment and build. Keep experimenting with new AI tools and working on a personal project to deepen your understanding and skill. Don't just go on the peripheral and go away. We do help people develop their portfolio, but then you must create what problem is happening around you. What can you create to solve those problems? There are a lot of tools that are usually free. I can use for a couple of days or a couple of hours, a couple of prompts to give you the basics of what you need. Test, and find your own tools that work best for you. Luckily for you, if you have what you think, you can subscribe to the paid version if you think you have something tangible to provide. But there's lots of free version before subscription. So please try as much as possible to experiment and build